got a red head, French tip, yellow bone and all. She got pretty eyes, big old thighs, can I take you home? I got double cars and my money long. Well, me and you equal two, I don't see no wrong. Yeah, I'm tryna put you on TV, yeah. I just, baby, you need me, yeah. You fuck with them guys who won't see me dead. On two main mission, we jumping on.
Welcome back, baddies, and today we're going to turn ourselves into a sexy red. I'm not talking about this rapper sexy red, but I'm talking about this red hair, this fiery red hair. So if you're interested in this particular hair, I will have it in the description box below if you're interested. But yes, it's all about the makeup right now, so we're going to get into the makeup look that I did for this hair. So we're going to start off with a vitamin C serum. Next, we're going to go in with our moisturizer, Charlotte Tilbury's primer is included in this moisturizer as well. Then we're going to go in with our eyelashes. Gotta have those. Then we're going to get into our eyebrows. For whatever reason, my eyebrows were just acting up this day. I was fumbling and trying to get them to do right, and just was like not working. I eventually just said, okay, these are going to have to do. So next I'm applying my sunscreen, and it is a little white casty, guys, but I guarantee you all you have to do is blend or rub just rub it in. And so, still a little white casty, but we can always go in with our dark foundation and do that, and that's what I'm doing now. And as you can see, I don't use a brush or a sponge because I only applied 3 drops of foundation. So that does not need a blending brush, a beauty blender, or anything. Just rub that in with your fingers, especially just to get rid of the white cast that you use for your sunscreen. So again, we're going to go in with this sponge to get rid of the creases under the eye, because we're going to go in with not our concealer, but our highlighting powder. So as you can see, this powder does what a concealer would do, brightening the areas where I want to highlight. And this is just something I do just to avoid a lot of unnecessary makeup steps. Okay, so I don't like all that. You can do all this just with one simple powder. So sometimes it just takes a simplified version of the look that you're going for, and this is what it is. So after I get through with that highlighting powder, what I do next is I go in with the darker powder, and that darker powder I use as a contour. And so once I contour with the darker powder, which is actually my shade, it gives the appearance of contouring. So that is what I use. I don't use a concealer stick or anything like that. I do have a bronzing powder, but I'm not, that shade's a lot darker than what I am now. So we're just going to focus on what's working for this. I'm going in with this darker eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this to contour my nose and use it as a eyebrow eyeshadow. After I get through, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. This is a very pretty shade. So I go in with that, line my lips, smudge it just so it can blend better. So with it, we add our lip gloss. So I'm using NYX lip glosses. They're pretty much pigmented. So again, as you can see, you don't really have to do too much if you find the right shade of the NYX lip gloss. So I do want to try Jada's lip kit, and so I might do a review on that. So nevertheless, very pretty, goes with the red hair, goes with the look. Then I go in with this moisturizer, not a moisturizer, but the lip gloss from MAC. Very, very, very shiny. So that is the lip combo that we're going with. So next, get all that. There you go. You go, girl. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into fixing the hair. Our leave out is basically what we need to fix. I went ahead and added some bio silk to that. No, I think that was me applying the heat protectant. Then I went in with the bio silk on the top, and then the last step I went in was with the hairspray. So I'm going to do this red hair again, but just with a little bit better quality of hair. This did the look for what it was supposed to do. It gave what it was supposed to give for this video. But I would highly invest in some good bundles if you want to wear this hair longer than 2 weeks. I think about 2 weeks, this is all that this is going to be able to take. Again, it's not the best quality of bundles, but it will do if you're wanting to do something really quickly. I wouldn't recommend sewing this hair in at all. So yeah, I will talk more about this particular hair in the install video, but for now it did what it was supposed to do. Okay guys, so thank you baddies for watching, and as always, I'm gonna come in with those bangers. Okay, so let's go.
I'm going time. Phone says get born.